I'm going to begin. This is my wire, and I think I'm going to start with the blue as the center to sort of make it stand out. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit. You do not need a lot of glue, very, very little. And I'm going to put it right on the edge, and it does not have to be, you know, concise, the same amount, whatever you do, however you put it on. I just slap some on there, and there we go. Now for the first one, let me move this so you can see. So for the first one, you want to put your hook in the middle, okay? And then you are going to wrap this around that hook, and then you're going to take and you're going to wrap this back around. This is the center of your flower. And it might look a little bit messy to start, and that's okay. There we go. And then I just sort of roll it through my fingers. It's tissue paper, it's got glue on, and it will definitely stick when you do that. So I like that as my center. You can see the curves are still there. You can pull this up a little bit if you want to straighten that out. However it goes, it goes. That's what I do. Now the next one, I'm going to put one of these designs. And you can take and you can do, you know, maybe a flower that has everything that's this side up, and then another one that's everything that's that side. It really is up to you and how you want to do it. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it right like that. I'm going to take this side, and I'm going to put it that way. I'm going to take this side, and I'm going to put it that way. And there is my petal. Now I'm going to put the next one. I'm going to stick with this as we go around. Take some glue, put a little bit here, put a little bit here, and I'm not going to go the whole way over here. I'm going to overlap it a little bit. And there. I'm going to take this and roll it through my fingers. Just rolling it around. Let's see. Let's get another one. I think one more before I switch again. I'm going to take this. I hope I'm not blocking. Take that. And I'm not going to take it the whole way here. I'm just going to take it a little bit further. So what I'm doing is I am building my rose. Here's the bottom. I'm taking it and I'm rolling it around. You will get sticky. If you don't like sticky fingers, then this might not be the craft for you. Now this one, I want to push it up a little bit so that it sticks. There we go. Yep, there we go. Now I'm just going to continue. I think I will do blue next and continue adding. I think I need another one over here. We're gonna add some more, another blue one. Add some more glue. Sorry. I'm looking at the rose and I'm not looking at my camera. I'm going to add another blue one. So I continue to build both sides. And remember, if you don't like the placement or how it looks, all you have to do is take it off. It's very easy while it's still wet to sort of adjust and move this around. There we go. I'm going to put this on. Continue. Oops, I put the glue on the wrong side. Did you see that? I'm going to have to recurl this. I'm going to just curl this backwards now. Let's see here. You got to pay attention to what you're grabbing. I did not. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to put another one over here. I think that I've got a lot here. See that? So I want to put another one here. And really, it's just as you go around, you want to fill in. But you want to stagger it, so you don't want it exactly perfectly as you go. You want to continue to build. So you can see it's starting to come together. Every once in a while you just sort of have to squish that in. If you miss some glue, so like see right here, I feel like I missed glue right here. I'm just gonna add some glue and put that on. Okay. I'm gonna add some of this now. Continue to give it some depth, switching up between the two solid and the design. Continue adding. I'm going to add another couple layers. And as you continue to add these layers, you want to make sure that your flower is building going up. And sometimes you just sort of have to stick your fingers back in there, pull that up. Okay, there we go. Right, here's another one. I'm gonna add, whoops, I'm gonna add this one. I'm going to add one more. You can see it starting to come together. I'm going to add this one. I think I want to add it right here. Very gently, you can shape it, put it the way you want. So this was just 2. That's what it looks down below. And I like having the 2 dimensions, so you can see the dark blue, you can also see the design. I would go through and probably add another, let's see if I can do this without messing up. I feel like this needs to be curled a little bit more. There we go. You can do this, just be very careful. Don't be like me and pull too hard. There we go. Those outer ones, you just want to give a little bit. And see the wrinkles? That just gives it that petal feel. Give it a try. Have some fun. You can have kids do it. You can do it. Add it to a project. Show me what you make. Let me know what you think. And I will definitely be excited to see how yours comes out. Okay, I'm back to show you the finished. I wanted to add the embellishment, but I needed to wait for this part down here to dry. This is nice and hard. Everything is dried. If you try to add it while it's still wet, the tissue paper is soft, and what ends up happening is you tear and it starts to fall apart. So you have to be patient. I just let mine dry upside down like this. And then once it's dry, you can add whatever embellishment you want. So I just added this cute little dragonfly to the top. It comes on a card, and it has a pin. See if I can get this off one-handed. I don't have my phone in my holder. There we go. So this is what it comes like. So you can see. And I just add this by bending the pin so that it goes straight down. So you can see the bend to the pin. And I just stuck it straight down into my rose. So you end up with this. Quick and easy craft.